you want to find the ASCII value of a character, but you're unsure of how you do that in Python? Well, Python provides a function called as odd that can find the ASCII value of any character. So let's see how we do that. So first thing, I create a variable of the name char, and I'm storing characters in that. And now let me just run my print function, and within that I'll use the odd function, and now I'll place my string, that's char, and all I've got to do is print it, and you can see pretty much the ASCII value of the small letter A is 97. Likewise, the ASCII value of the capital letter A is 65, and with this function you can find the ASCII value of absolute any possible character. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.